Alright, you wonderful weirdos, welcome back to the Evil Lair. In this one, we're going to do something a little odd. I got to do another entry to the Veterans Creative Arts Festival, and I wanted to do something a little bit more patriotic this time than a ring with a skull in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some dog tags, and then we're going to ice them out. That's what I'm thinking. If you don't know what a dog tag is, what service members wear around their neck, generally you get two of them. For the worst case scenario goes out there, one stays with the body and the other one gets checked in. It's kind of a sad thing. That's why we're going to ice this out a little bit. I have some jewels coming, hopefully some red, clear, and blue. And we're going to make the dog tags themselves out of 0.999 or better silver from some silver chloride that I have over here that needs to be melted down. So a lot of I don't knows in here. But most importantly, the skill set that I'm going to be practicing in this Evil Lair project is, of course, gem setting. This is something I've never done before. Hopefully I got the right stuff to do it. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's get started. We got to make some wood templates of our dog tag. So we have something to work with, space out where we need to do our gems, and we'll probably sand cast this. Yeah. Let's just go. I'm done talking. Let's go.
Are you ready for this? 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 Are you ready? Are you ready for this? I run the place, I run the space, I run the scene that light up your face. I run the place, I run the space, I run the scene. Run the place, run the space, I run the scene that light up your face. I run the place, I run the space, I run the scene. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Dance all day and even all night. Yo, dance all day and even all night. Dance all day and even all night. Yo, dance all day and even all night. Make you go crazy, can make you start to yawn, can make you grab the microphone and turn the party on. But dance all day and even all night. I dance all day and even all night. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready?
Alright weirdos, so here's where we're at. We have our sand mold sitting over there in the sun just to kind of warm it up a little bit. So what are we going to do next? We have to make our silver. I say make our silver because I'm going to melt down. This is silver chloride. This is the powder form of silver when it comes out of solution from an acid. What we're going to do is we're going to melt this down, which means we got to get our temperatures up to 1,761 degrees to melt. The boiling point of silver is only about 2 degrees more. This is important because if it boils and I go to pour it in there and all that oxygen's in it, it's just going to splutter back out into my face. And then I end up with silver all in my face. It's like, it gets bad. So with that in mind, and for all you people overseas over there, the Celsius of this is 960 Celsius, 960. So yeah. With that said, we're not able to use a propane gas, and the forge will get it too hot. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use MAP gas. This will get it up to temperature, and after that I just got to watch it to make sure it doesn't get to a boiling point, and then we're going to pour it in. And then hopefully on one try we'll pull out this dog tag. And then we can move on to putting jewels in it. Yeah, I got some jewels for it. Moissanite to be specific. Just beautiful jewels. Sparkles very well. Got a great deal on those. So let's get this melted and get this done. Let's go.
We don't lie, get the bags in the cash, that's DIY. Ain't no try, get the bags in the cash, that's what I like, that's what I like. Real bad bitch, yeah, she got it like that. Daddy fill it up, but then hand that back. Real bad bitch, yeah, she got it like that. Daddy fill it up, but then hand that. Talking out loud, we talking about loud. We talking out loud, we talking about loud. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Take it up, take it up, take it up, take it up. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. We like that. We like that. We like that. We like that. We like that.
To the right, to the back, to the side, to the left, to the right, to the back.
We talking about loud. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, take it up, take it up, take it up. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. Shake it up, one time. We like that. 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 We like that.
Alright, so here we are. A little bit of an explanation before we jump into this. This is what we got so far. You'll notice I did a little crisscross pattern in there. Did that for a particular reason. Because we're about to set the stones in here. And what I was able to get my hands on, thanks to a very good friend of mine, is I was able to get my hands on some moissanite. Quite a bit of it. Moissanite's a good substitute for diamonds if you're looking for that kind of blinked ice out look. And even some moissanite, depending on the thickness of it, can even set off a diamond tester. It's kind of weird how that works. But how are we going to set these? So what we got here is their brilliant cut moissanite, which means they have 57 to 58 facets. Just think of it, it just means it's a flat surface on a geometric shape. A diamond, right? With a bunch of triangles cut through it. So let's go ahead and set these in place. We're doing red, white, red, or clear. Right, and I'm thinking about just sticking one blue one up here in the corner. You see what I'm going with here? Kind of the American flag. It's kind of the goal. I don't know yet. We'll see on the next break before we do the next thing if I did that or not. Here we go.
We getting down with the sound of the old school vibe. Keep it alive with my tribes. Bahamas, coast to coast. King to rock with the styles of most. Toast like bread inside your head. Ear to ear with a ball or drag. Dance like no one's watching you. Get down with your whole damn crew. Everybody feel it, come around with the rhythm. It's the sound of we down when we give it to you.
Alright, weirdos, so that's it. We're all done. Yes, I kind of dig this actually. It's very homemade looking, which it is, so it should. But just to give you a little bit of a better look of what we did, we got our red, our clear, more red, our little blue thing there. Made a little facet for it, and we just stuck it on its old chain. Boom, it's an ounce worth of silver with some moissanite in it. That's it, this project is done. If you haven't, definitely check out the links down below. I got some wonderful Evil Lair merch in there for you, and I sell my own brand of coffee, Coffee Brand Coffee. I don't plug it enough on this channel, but definitely consider checking it out. It helps support the channel, and you get great coffee. It's a good trade. Other than that, I got nothing else. I don't even know what I'm making next month. I know I got a couple of days to do it though, or at least get started on it. So let's take it back to the board over here and see what we can make. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, don't forget, if you haven't liked or subscribed or commented or put a thumbs up on this, just pick one. Let me know that you're watching this. That'd be great. Talk to y'all later. Bye.